So in see question number 2. So in this first one is the polynomials f of x is equals to ax cube plus 3x square minus 3 and g of x is 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Okay, these two are divided by x minus 4, leaves the same remainder in each case. Then find the value of a. So let us use the remainder theorem to find out the value of a. Let me take the question and solve. If you see this first one, so let's take the two equations. The first one is f of x and second is the g of x. Let me solve into the same remainder. Okay, if you take the line, g of x is a function that is according to given that ax cube plus 3x square minus 3. So this is the f of x is given, and g of x is 2x cube minus 5x plus a. When f of x is divided by x minus 4, remainder is f of 4 then. So this is divided by x minus 4, and we can find out the f of plus 4 because x minus 4. And here when g of x is divided by same x minus 4 itself, then we can take the remainder for g of 4 to find out. So they can, in the place of x, we can substitute the value 4. So a into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 square minus 3. That is 4 4 the 16, 64, 64a plus here 4 square into 3. So 48 minus 3 is 45. Okay. So this is the f of 4, and g of 4 is same, 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 plus a. So here is the same 64, 4 4 16, 64, 64, 64 into 2. So 128 minus 20 plus a. So that is a 108 plus a, right? Now according to the question, the leaves the same remainder. Same remainder means f of 4 is equals to g of 4. They leaves the same remainder. Then you can take this both. So that will be first equation and second equation if you take, and 64a plus 45 is equals to 108 plus a. Take the a terms on side. 64a minus a is equals to 108 minus 45. 108 minus 45. Now this is the 63a. 108 minus 45, that is 63, right? Then a is equals to 1. Simple. So a is the value. So value of a is the 1. When the leaves remainder is same, we can solve in this way. And see next. Second one, in this second question B, find the equation of line. Okay, find the equation of line having x-intercepts is equals to 4 units in the negative direction and perpendicular to 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. We should find the equation of line having x-axis intercept is equal to 4. So given equation of the line, 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So let me take this. So in this given equation, so according to the given equation, first we'll take the x-intercept is equal to 4 units. Okay. We write all the given data. Then x-intercept is equals to 4 units in the negative direction. So in the negative direction means you can take the negative 4 x-intercept. So y value 0. Then required line passes through. Therefore, because it's negative direction, we can take the negative 4. Therefore, the required line passes through minus 4 comma 0. X value is minus 4 and y value is 0 because x-intercept is 4. And given equation of line, and that equation of line is given. So that is 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then y is equals to, from this, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, we can make this. Now using this statement is y is equal to mx plus c form. Therefore slope of this line, so slope of the given line is equals to 3. Okay, the general form that if you see y is equals to mx plus c format, right? This is format. So m is 3, so slope is 3. Then we have the slope and the point. You can require the equation of the line using the formula. You can use y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Then the equation will get, so y minus y1 is 0 and x1 is minus 4. So, and slope, and if you observe the question, negative direction and perpendicular to this. So perpendicular means slope you can take reciprocal. Then required slope, change the sign and reciprocal it. So minus 1 by 3. That means minus 1 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3 is m. X minus x1 is minus 4. Minus to minus plus 4. Just will solve this. Then 3y is equals to minus x minus 4. Then x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation from this question. And next one, we need to find out the mean. We should find out this missing value. Find the table given the heights of plants in centimeters. If the mean height of the plants be 60.95, mean is given, find the missing frequency. Just only mean formula will apply by taking this frequency some f. Okay, f1 or f, you can take f and solve. So let's see the table how to take. Heights is in centimeters. Okay, heights is given centimeters. We take the table. Heights in centimeters is given. Heights in centimeters, you take one column and frequency and f by xi, because the mean formula only will apply for this. So if you observe height, this is we'll take the given data first. Heights in centimeters, let's take xi, and second column is fy. Then we need to find out fy xi. Okay, we should multiply. Heights is in centimeters, that is given 50 onwards, 50, 55, 58. Just I am writing the question as 60, 65, 70, 71. Okay. And number of plants, this is the frequency 2, 4, 10. Then this is f 5, 4, 3. So let me take this data, and that is 2, 4, 10. This which is missing, that I am taking as f, and 5, 4, 3. Okay, just to multiply this, 550 into 2 is 100, and 220, 580, 58 into 10 is 580, 60 into f. Okay, that is a 60f itself, and 325 is both multiply, 280, 70 into 40, and 213, 71 into 3. Right, now just apply the mean formula. That is, we need sigma fi and sigma fi xi. Okay. Then except f, remaining numbers if you add, we'll get 28. So f plus 28, rest of the numbers added. And here except 60f, remaining numbers add, that is 17 and 18 will get. Now this both will apply in the mean formula. Okay, now it's simple. Therefore mean is equals to, so mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, this formula. The answer is given already, so you can take this 60f plus 17 and 18 by f plus 28. This value is according to the question that is 60.95. Okay, 60.95. Just will simplify this. So 60.95 divided by 1 and just do cross multiplication each and everything. Then 60.95f, both I am multiplying cross. To make the simple equation, 60.95 converted into the fractions, 6095 by 100, right? So I can take 60f plus 1718 by f plus 28 is equal to, this is a 6095 by 100. Now do cross multiplication. Then if you do cross multiplication, this 6095 into f, and this both 6095f plus and 6095 into 28, so that is 170660, 1,70,000, and multiply this side. So 6000f, because 100 into 60f, and this multiply, that is same, 171800. Take f terms one side. 6095 minus 6000 is 95f, and 1,70,800 minus 1,70,660 is 1140. Just do only subtractions to one side. Then f is equals to 1140 by 95. So just use the 5 table and cancel. That is 12 95 ones 95 1 2. Then f is equals to 12. So f value I got 12. Then missing frequency is the 12 in this case. So this, what are the missing frequencies? F I took now. That is the 12. And this is the question number 2. Let us see and solve the next problem. We'll solve the sums.